Hi everyone, welcome back to Arabic Grammar Lab. This is Zia Muhammad. Today we are going to discuss about the number or plurality of a noun. In Arabic, nouns have a plurality or number characteristic, which refers to whether the noun is singular, dual, or plural. Arabic is unique in having a dual form, which explicitly refers to two of something, in addition to singular or plural forms. Noun can be singular, dual, or plural. Singular is called wahid, dual is called muthanna, plural is called jama. Singular, the singular form refers to one person, thing, or concept. Example, book, kitab, boy, walad, tree, shajara. Musanna, the dual form, refers specifically to two of something and is typically formed by adding the suffix ani to the singular noun. For example, kitab, kitabani, walad, waladani, shajara, shajaratani. Jama, the plural form, refers to three or more of something. Arabic has two main types of plurals: Jama Sadem, Jama Mukassar, sound plurals, broken plurals. Here are some examples: Kitab, Walad, Shajara. How to make Arabic dual nouns. Formation of dual noun muthanna from a singular is extremely easy. Masculine and feminine singular nouns follow the same pattern to form duals. By placing fatha on the last letter of the noun. If the last consonant of the noun is ta marbuta, change it into open ta and add suffix ani after the last letter. Types of plural nouns in Arabic. The Arabic language has two types of plural nouns. Jama Salem, plurals that are formed according to a fixed formula or pattern are called sound plurals. Jama Salem, the plurals that are formed without any rule are called broken plurals. Jama Mukassar. Here is a table of some of the sound plurals and broken plurals. In case of broken plural or Jama Mukassar, in the formation of a broken plural, the stem of the singular verb is broken. Either some letter is added or omitted from the base of the word. There is no fixed formula to form broken plurals. They have to be learned by heart. Broken plurals are mostly of nouns. Here are some examples of broken plurals. Broken plurals are formed by modifying the internal structure of the word rather than adding a suffix. They follow specific patterns but are often irregular, requiring memorization. Sound plural in Arabic. The sound or regular plural is found by adding a suffix to the singular masculine nouns. Suffixes are different for masculine and feminine nouns. Sound plurals are mainly of adjectives. In masculine nouns, the vowel dama is added on the last letter of the singular noun, and then the suffix una is added. In case of feminine nouns, with ta marbuta, ta is omitted and the suffix atu is added. In traditional Arabic language and culture, creation or makhluk is often divided into two categories based on intellect and reason. The creation is subdivided into akil and ghair akil. Akil, or the sane or rational, refers to beings that possesses intellect, refers to beings that possess intellect and reasoning abilities, typically includes humans, angels, jinn. These beings are considered morally accountable and capable of understanding right and wrong. In Arabic grammar, nouns referring to these beings are often treated as masculine, plural, when forming agreements, for example, verbs and nouns. In case of ghair akil, the insane or non-rational refers to the beings or entities without intellect or reasoning abilities, includes animals, haywanat, inanimate objects, jamadat, for example, mountains, rocks, tools, plants, nabatat. In Arabic grammar, These nouns are typically treated as feminine singular when forming agreements, for example, verbs and adjectives. This division is deeply rooted in Arabic linguistics, affecting grammar, agreement rules, and even philosophical discourse. Jama Salem Muzakkar formed by adding Arabic sound masculine plurals found by adding una in the nominative case and aina in the accusative or genitive cases, the singular masculine noun. It is used exclusively for rational beings, for example, human, angel, jinn. Here are some examples. In case of Arabic, sound feminine plurals are Jama Salem Muannas. The sound feminine plural is formed by adding atu to the end of the singular form. Sound feminine plurals are only used for feminine nouns or adjectives. Feminine singular words typically end in fa ta marbuta, which is replaced by atu in the plural. Here are some examples of sound feminine plurals. Jama Salem Muannas. So in Arabic grammar, number or plurality are essential aspects of the noun and verb agreement. Arabic has three grammatical numbers: singular, dual, plural, wahid, muthanna, jama. Musanna can be made by adding fatha, by placing fatha on the last letter and adding ani. Plural is of two types: sound and broken. Jama salam or jama mukassar. Jama salem muzakkar in the case of masculine or muzakkar. Una is added, and in case of feminine, atu is added at the end as suffix. Broken plurals have no fixed rules. They are irregular with internal vowel changes. Verbs must agree with the subject in number, singular, dual, or plural. Adjectives must match the noun in number, gender, and case. Dual is used strictly for two, while plural starts from three. Please practice and remember these rules and try to practice making nouns from singular to plurals. That's it for today, and see you in the next lecture.